A delicious breakfast treat today. We are making a simple recipe for banana pancakes. Ingredients: 2 ripe bananas, mashed. 1 cup all-purpose flour. 2 tablespoons sugar. 2 teaspoons baking powder. 1/4 teaspoon salt. 1 cup milk. 1 large egg. 2 tablespoons butter, melted. Butter or oil for greasing the pan. Instructions: in a bowl, whisk together flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt. In another bowl, combine mashed bananas, milk, egg, and melted butter. Add dry ingredients to wet ingredients and stir until just combined batter should still be slightly lumpy. Heat a non-stick pan over medium heat. Drop batter by 1/4 cupfuls onto the pan. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes, or until bubbles appear on surface and edges start to dry. Flip and cook for another 1 to 2 minutes or until golden brown. Serve warm with your favorite toppings: maple syrup, honey, butter, fresh fruit, whipped cream. Tips: use overripe bananas for the best flavor. Don't overmix the batter. Adjust the amount of sugar to your taste. Add nuts, walnuts, pecans, or chocolate chips for added flavor. Variations: blueberry banana pancakes, add 1/2 cup fresh or frozen blueberries to the batter. Cinnamon banana pancakes, add 1/2 teaspoon ground cinnamon to the dry ingredients. Protein-packed banana pancake, add 1 to 2 tablespoons peanut butter or 1 scoop protein powder. Nutrition information: banana pancakes. Per serving. Calories 150 to 200. Protein 3 to 4 g. Fat 7 to 9 g. Saturated fat 1 to 2 g. Cholesterol 20 to 25 milligrams. Carbohydrates 25 to 30 g. Fiber 2 to 3 g. Sugar 10 to 12 g. Sodium 200 to 250 milligrams. Macronutrient breakdown: carbs 60 to 70%. Protein 10 to 15%. G fat 20 to 25%. Factors affecting calorie count: size of pancake, type of flour used, all-purpose whole wheat oat, amount of sugar added, type of milk used, whole skim almond, toppings, butter, syrup, fruit, whipped cream. Approximate calorie counts for different sizes: small 2 to 3 inches 100 to 150 calories, medium 3 to 4 inches 150 to 200 calories, large 5 to 6 inches 250 to 300 calories.